Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the amazing product from Leadjoy. It's called the Hurricane Thermoelectric Magnetic Cooler. As you can see, magnetic mounting. So you will work with MagSafe, 15 watts, rapid cooling, silent operation, up to 30 decibel, compact design for phone. And yeah, that's how it looks like. That's on the back on an iPhone in there by the looks of it. But you can probably use it with Android as well, as long as you use a MagSafe compatible case. So the model number is Leadjoy H1, and let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so we have an iPhone with MagSafe case, and the device itself smaller than I've expected. USB-C, I guess it's for power. Don't think it has a battery inside or anything. That's how you adjust the speed and temperature. You have a nice USB-A to C cable, which we'll use in this test, and the instructions. And they actually give you also this. I guess it's just to, I'm not really sure what is that for though. Let's see if it says in here. So installation. Attach the magnetic sheet with the 3M adhesive side to the back of your phone. Gently attach the cooler to the phone. Yeah, I don't really want to attach this because this is not the phone I'm going to use. And that looks like it's going to glue like that. So for now, we're going to just test it. So as you can see, MagSafe, and then it's not going to do anything until we plug this in. So I guess is when you're playing games, the phone gets hot, or even if you do some video editing, my phone gets hot when I do that. So then you have this baby, you plug it in, and then the fan is already started. And then let's see what this does. Okay, so that's off. It's not doing anything now. The one next to it, you press it once. Currently is working. So what are the buttons about? So it has the downshift button and the upshift. Okay, so 3-gear mode, silent, frosty, overclock. Easy as that. So not sure in what mode we are. I guess that's the highest on this side. And then you open stop. So let's just figure out. So this is like that. Leadjoy. So then, okay, so in this position, silent, frosty, overclock. Okay, I can't really tell which is which, to be honest. I'm sorry. I guess this is the silent. Okay, when I increase this, I can't really feel a difference. But then in here, you see, it's already steaming. Wow, this is very cool. It's actually cool. Damn. Look at that. You can see it's steaming. It's very hot today as well. and the back of the phone is cold. How crazy is that? Nice. So yeah, guys, I don't know what will this do as a difference. Not sure if this is a way of having MagSafe. Maybe you put this if you don't have magnetic back, you know. This might be for Android phones. IA says for devices without magnetic support, you can use that. So you can use this actually even on a laptop, isn't it? And then this could act as like a little leg to support it. Brilliant, guys. I'm surprised, you know. Look at this. Steaming on the back of the phone. Trust me, it's cold. You can see a bit of steam in there. So yeah, definitely works. A thumbs up on this one. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Boom. Let's see if we can stop it. So let me just quickly show you how it sounds as well before we... Sounds the same in all the modes. And then it stops. And then it stops. Yeah. So yeah, definitely, guys, look at this steaming. It's making your phone very cool. Thanks for watching.